There it goes, it's going to do it. Some sort of harmonic vibration. And there's no stopping it once it starts. You have to turn the water valve off and back on again just to get the thing to stop. This is the out hot. That's the cold in. You can almost come on. You gonna do it or not? Oop, it's gonna start. There it goes. Gosh, sounds like the Titanic. 1 minute and 35 seconds into this. I'm going to do it again. Every 30 seconds. It was installed April of 2007. It's been making this awful noise since October of 09. It has been so intermittent that could never get it on film, and now it's doing it every day. Yesterday was really bad. It was doing it, well, about every 30 seconds until being turned on. Just before it starts to do it, you hear this little bit of a hum, and then once the harmonic vibration, gosh, it's so stinking annoying. And of course, when you're taking a shower, you always have to turn the valve off and back on again, just to get it to stop making the noise, and then you turn it back on again, and then maybe you can shower for a minute before you have to turn it off again. That's the 3-minute video.